So I'm knee deep in this mess here. I'm trying to install the shaved door kit solenoid. This thing just pulls back. This acts as somebody, you know, yanking on a handle to open a door. So so far all I've done, which I think I'm regretting this, but I put this here. This is you know, forces the door open. The reason I did this was the other spot was in this channel here that usually you put these, but it would have to go through this, and I don't know, I didn't want to poke anything through there. I don't know. I know what's going to happen. This rubber boot's going to get torn off, and then it is what it is, whatever. So this is what I'm thinking. Put some light on the subject here. So your handle here, there's a rod here that moves, that goes over to the thing to pull it. There's one there, and then there's another one. You know, this is your door handle here. When you pull the door handle, it see how it moves this little arm? Well, this arm, let me go out here. This arm is connected to this. Yeah. I know you can't see down in there, but there's a thing that this pushes on, and it'll pop the door. So there's two things I want to do. The first thing is the thing that this connects to is for your lock. I want to weld that in the unlock position. And the second thing is where this connects to, that hole right there, I've got no way to put that big solenoid in there to make this work. So what I'm thinking is putting this thing like down here somewhere, right? Like mount it, I don't know, somewhere out of the way. I'm gonna flip this bracket around so this part is over here in the front. In fact, let me do that quick. I want to see what this looks like. You know what? I'm just gonna finish explaining what I want to do. I've got like all this BMX NERPs and stuff for cable ends. I'll show you what I mean here. This is all like you know, bicycle brake wire, and this is the sheathing. So I'm thinking about making a thing to where you can remotely mount the solenoid and it'll pull on this wire. And I need to weld the thing to the claw in here to hold, you know, the end, and then I need to flip this thing around and weld that there so it'll have a thing to pull. That's what I'm thinking. It's a lot of darn work, but there's nowhere, like normally you would just mount this inside, but the track for the window is in there. See? So there's kind of no way to mount this big thing in there without some kind of a pulley system. And pulley system, I believe, is going to leave us derailed and the door won't be able to open from the outside. Anyway, that's where I'm at with this. I'm going to do a little series video with this, I guess. I don't know if anybody else has done this. I haven't checked yet. I've done this a long time ago on like an S10, and the doors are built different. You got more room over here. So this will be my first one. I just put a video up doing the remote control, like the wireless key thing. I messed with that for probably an hour till I figured out how to wire it. But what I'm doing, there's 4 buttons on it. the top two buttons. The top one's going to do the driver's door. The second one down is going to do the passenger's door. The third one down, I'm going to turn on as if you flip the key forward. And then the fourth one, which is like the pop the trunk, I'm going to do like a remote start deal. And I think that'd be pretty cool. So I think that's it for this video for now. Just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing. Maybe you guys can give me some pointers if anybody sees this video and can tell me what they've done already. It's kind of late at night. I just wanted to get this video out, and I'm going to sleep. So we'll catch up with everyone later.